To another video on the Transit. I've made a bit of progress since the last video, so I'll show you where I'm up to, but first just want to say thanks to the recent subscribers. This wheel arch, I started getting it into a bit of filler, so I've now rubbed it down and got a coat of primer on it. I've not gone for perfection, but I've got it pretty close. I'm just sorting out this back end here. So what I'm going to actually do with this is rub this filler down and then use an angle grinder just to grind back in the line. So I'll marker it on and line that back in. I have done that up here. I've still got to open up this gap a little bit more because I hit the filler mark that they've previously done. I've knocked out most of that dent. Now again, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was before. Plastic primed the handles as well, and I've started on the front. I've ordered some 80 grit discs to knock back that bumper because the bumper's really bad. I even actually considered getting a new bumper for it, it's that bad. Oh, I've rubbed all this back with the DA and 120 grit. Solid, so I've rush treated it and put a layer of filler on. Did the same on this side, but as you can see, just got to rub back the primer. I've just put the first coat of primer on there, all the way down. A little bit of a ripple there where there's a little bit of filler, but it's solid. Round here, I've got to weld that up, and I wasn't happy with the finish on this wheel arch, so I've just put some filler in there. So as you can see, I'm just trying to blend it in just that little bit better. A little dint there, there was a couple that I've got rid of as well, and then again I've started to cut the line in. I wasn't happy with it. Got to get rid of that little imperfection there. Now I'm going to do a video specifically on this, so that's no good. So what I'm going to do is cut out this full section here. This has been filled before. Cut it round, fabricate a panel, get it welded in. I'm hoping this one I can just spot weld around the edges. I'll drill it out first and just feed back this section because that's pretty solid. Anyway, I'll crack on. Alright, so one of the other problems that I've got with the truck is the petrol cap is all ruined here around the sides, and obviously it's unsightly. So what I'm going to do, I ordered this for another project, some Sugru. It's like a mouldable plastic, so I'm going to mask around the edges and feed this in. That you sort of knead together, make a shape that you want, and then it's supposed to set as a hard plastic. So we will see. It takes about 24 hours to set. So I'm just going to get it all in, and I'll go around the edge with a Stanley knife and just chop it off. That's in shape for now. Obviously I've got a hole in there which I'm not looking to get rid of. I just want the outside a bit tidier, so we'll leave that for the 24 hours it takes to set. Come back, show you how it is. I'll flat it all down, then it might need a little bit of filler, and we'll see how it is. on this corner. Now I'm going to get the marker and draw a line all the way down, just to put that crease back in. In the background there, I've carried on. I've started rubbing down the rust on this back panel. A little bit still to go, where I've not finished it off perfectly. But I'm not after a perfect finish, I'm just after getting it in gloss white. So I've got a little bit of high build on there. I'm not putting too much on, so I'll get that flatted back with 400s. Not started on this yet. This is going to be coming up in the next video. But we've got wheel arch done there, the door pretty much in high build at the bottom, front bumper. Again, the bumper is not a great finish, but it was absolutely knackered before. And then this side here, I have made a start on the roof. Don't know if you can see where I've started on the roof. Still needs more rubbing down, but I'll be getting on with that. I've started to clean up the inside and started rubbing back the door shuts, because I've decided I am going to knock them out. I've still got this bit to do, and then scotch up all that side. Done the same in here. Got the door card off on this side. I'm just going to soak that newspaper and slip it down the glass, because I don't fancy taking all of this out just to do that welding repair. So I'm just going to soak the newspaper and get that in, and then we'll scotch down all here. I've primered the door shut that was never primered, and I've started sanding this as well. Again, that just wants scotching up. Not overly concerned about the finish, I just want it to be white really. Sugar had gone off, so it's got a little bit of primer over it. I still need to fill it, but it is more of a rubber finish, but it's solid now all the way around. So I'm just going to give it a quick skim over the top, and from the outside it'll look absolutely fine. I need to put a little bit of filler in that chip there as well. So I'll do that now. Sometimes you've just got to make things look a bit worse before they look better. Most important thing though was scoring the edge to make sure that it's sort of free from moving, or free to move rather. So let that go off, flat it back, plastic prime it, and then we're pretty much ready on that side.